So what we are going to do today, we discussed about the data factory. In that, let us do some exercise. Okay. Now, what you need to do, prompt. I need to work with Azure Data Factory services. I am a layman for this activity. I need the micro level test. Okay. So let us say if you go to the Copilot, I'll copy to you also. You also is it clear? Is it visible my screen now?
Yes,
Notepad.
yes,
Yeah?
Yes,
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 yes.
yes.
This is the one. I'll copy it here. You also can execute parallelly with Copilot and see the result. Okay. I copied it in the this one. Okay. So let me also test it here. You take a separate session only for data factory purpose. You will reuse that session daily. Okay. You can do that session wise also in Copilot.
Sir, I have one question. If you using
Let me
data,
also execute it here. I'm firing the AI prompt. Yeah, tell me what is your question, Rahul?
sir, in Azure Data Factory, we all deal with the data injection, transformation, or loading the data, then processing the data. So all these process is done in Azure Data Factory. So it is relevant to learn also like SQL, MySQL, because same process is done in the there also. Now we have load data, databases, transformers also. So
See,
what is
nowadays learning IT topics is made very easy
okay?
with ChatGPT kind of tools.
Hmm.
Only thing is what you need to learn, what you need to identify. First, you need to learn that. It is not like learning topics, what topics I need to learn, not like that. What is your requirement? For requirement, you need to be prepared to write the prompt. Now I wrote the prompt, right? A prompt. The same way you need to practice it to become expert in prompt engineering in that field. Then you will get the solutions. Even for SQL writing also, it is very easy. It is not so complex because in the earlier days, you guys used to attend trainings. Trainings people used to make complex. It is so easy with ChatGPT kind of tools. Okay,
Hmm.
the trainers will show like anything. Okay, by giving small demo, it is a big image or something like that. If you want to learn Terraform, they will say you need to join for ML, you need to join for Linux admin course, all those sequence of the courses they will bind you to learn sequentially. It is not at all required. First, you need to understand what work you need to do. From there, you need to divide them into different levels of the tasks. So tasks are not only project tasks, your activities also, your learning activities also become tasks. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Now let me share my Copilot screen. What I got it here. So here I use this AI prompt. I need to work with Azure Data Factory services. I'm a layman for this activity. I need the micro level guidance. Okay. So first is understand the data factory. Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based data integration service that allows you to create data-driven workflows for orchestrating and automating data movement and data transformation. Yes, we discussed that in the introduction topic. We don't need to go through this one. Okay, it is like a factory that takes raw data from various sources, process it. We discussed it. Various data sources will be there in the backend, like in the ETL process, and delivers it to destination where it can be used for analysis or reporting purposes. Yes. So second step is set up your Azure account. You know about Azure account, how to create. Then you need to search for data factory, then create setting up data factory in your services, basically. Then fill the required details. Okay. Then connect to data sources. ADF supports a wide range of data sources, including Azure Blob Storage, SQL database, on-premises databases. You need to create linked services to connect to these data sources. At present, we can stick on to Azure Blob
Okay.
Storage. Blob
Uh-huh.
storage, you need to do. You need to create some test data files. You know, Rahul, you have been doing since
Yes, sir.
few days
Yes,
MySQL
yes,
files and CSV
yes,
files uploading also, right?
yes, 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 yes.
That's just where you have to plan it. And fifth one is create data pipelines. So first you create this activity in data factory. Then later on you upload your files into the blob storage. You can use two sources. One is Azure Blob Storage, Azure SQL
Your
databases.
database. Yes.
Yes. Now you might have come why I insisted you to do MySQL and SQL database related uploading process
Yeah, yeah.
in demos, right?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Directly you will be able to use it, right?
Ah, yes.
Yes. So later you need to create the data pipelines or workflows that define the data movement and transformation processes. We discussed that. You can create pipelines using ADF graphical interface, which allows you to drag and drop activities and configure them. Yes, that is the processor. Then schedule and monitor pipelines. You see, these are all high-level things. In a whole, it is giving these steps. But you can drill down them
My God.
about to learn how to connect to data sources. Give micro level steps means if you write the prompt, it is going to use the script, a script like this. Okay, so all these things you need to plan it and do it. So that's where the exercise comes. First thing, what you need to do, you need to take it. I'm going to write it here in the instructions also in this one. 1 minute. Let me share the notepad. You also got the same uh, content, right? From
Ah,
Copilot,
yes.
what is
Yes, yes,
displayed
yes.
here.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So your plan is create three different data sets related to the database. Let us say we'll take a different database. Okay. And uh, make them one file as CSV, two files as my SQL data backup. What are the tasks involved in this? Can you tell, Rahul?
So,
What you
so
need to know
initial,
how to do?
so prerequisite for that, we have to prepare data for three CSV file. One for in CSV file for the transformation, and one uploading, and one two file as a MySQL data backup. So these are the prerequisite for the. We have to create three files.
Okay. So now, what you need to do? You need to use ADF. I am calling short form Azure Data
Yes, the
Factory.
factory.
Uh, Then 1 minute. In the script, what it is given, uh, use ADF. Then before that, what you need to do? You need to upload the data
Data
into
blob.
lab storage.
Yes.
Upload the is three files into AZ blob. Okay. Then use data factory, Azure Data Factory. mm, Connect, then connect to these sources. That's all activity. Connecting only.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay. So now your uh, plan for uh, lab one, I can say lab one. Okay, in this practice. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll copy it here. Okay, you are making in your document, right? One is
Yes.
plan document is there in Excel. Another one is Word document is there with AI prompts and how to write the prompts activities also. This activity should go to in both documents, right?
Hmm.
So this is where you are supposed to do. Then mm, practice it in the backend. All these things. See, first to create the CSV file, you need to CSV data need to prepare it first. Sample data, test data. Then later you need to create one or two databases into the MySQL server. So you need to have one VM stored in MySQL server. What I would suggest is you have my local VM, right?
Uh-huh.
Virtual machine VM player, right? Use that machine, set up MySQL server. For this kind of data activities, you can use that MySQL server to create the database backups. You don't need to go to Azure VM and create all that process every time.
Okay.
Let us say now student database is there. Student database purpose, you will be creating the database after setting up MySQL server. Then later on you do uploading this data into this one and take backup of two files. Then you upload those into Azure Data Cloud.
I mean, sir, we have to means three CSV files. So we have to first upload into MySQL.
Yes.
Then
No,
so
no, no.
and then
Three you don't need to upload, right? Second, third files you need to upload it. Second
okay.
and third files individually you need to do it. Then later on, for each data backup, once it is taken, you need to clean up the data. Clean up means uh, delete all records, make the
Okay.
database empty, then upload one more time, third file. Like that, you need to keep separate backups. For that,
Means
what you
sir.
need to do,
Mhm.
every time you can't depend on the VM, you need to depend on your local VM, not on the Azure VM.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Because
Means
every time you need to create the MySQL server and you need to do all that. But once you have automated the task with Terraform, you can do it and upload this process also. Okay,
uh,
and this try can be made easily also. But why you want to waste your billing Azure credits? Use your local VM, and also you explain to Ravi Kumar how to do how to operate the VM also locally. Okay.
and sir, like second and third actually like different means in second point we upload the one file on and two backup in MySQL. There is a one different activity, and three file upload on Azure Blob is a different activity. And then make with the help of ADF we can make connection with the blob, but same
Yes.
time
Yes.
but
Yes.
yes.
So you need to ask in the AI prompt to view the micro level steps for
Steps.
these activities. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
You got the idea how to write the AI prompt, right? For this one.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
रवि आपको मालूम हुआ हाई लेवल एक्टिविटीज नीचे तक नहीं हाई लेवल ओके
No.
नहीं आप लोग क्या करना रात में आफ्टर 9 o'clock और समथिंग यू फिक्स टाइम फॉर लैब प्रैक्टिस टुगेदर
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir. Okay.
ये एक्टिविटी के लिए अलग वीकली some days you allocate it. Okay.
Yes.
Combinedly, if you practice it, then it will be faster.
Okay, sir.
स्काइप कॉल में स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकते हैं ना व्हाट यू आर डूइंग प्रैक्टिस ऑल दैट so that will be
Yes.
easy for integration effort के लिए
Yes. Yes.
fast learning के लिए. Okay, right. So what do you need to do? All these you need to do and set up it and practice it. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Yes.
if you want to give a demo in ADF also, you are most welcome.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but आगे बढ़ रहे हैं ना, every day we are having sessions. You will get different activities like this, different visibility like this. Okay, so 12 chapters are there. For 12 chapters, 12 activities you can take it. Then one more thing, I also shared one email few days back. The scenarios for data factory. We will discuss those also in the next sessions.
Okay.
What you need
Okay,
to
sir.
do. But this is the sample one I am giving to you in the introduction session.
Okay. No problem, sir. Yes.
Okay, I'll stop recording.